Tomorrow is not just a date on your calendar. It's not just another sunrise. It's not just another Tuesday or Wednesday or August 1st or 2nd. Tomorrow is a big day in ways most people won't even recognize. But you were meant to hear this. You were meant to feel the energy building. Because when you do, something inside you will shift. A door will open. And the moment that door opens, everything, yes, everything, can change. So if you're scrolling and this video found you, pause. This may be the message your soul was waiting for. This may be the confirmation your future self begged the universe to send back in time. If you're still here, you're meant to be here. Because tomorrow is a big day. And if you align tonight, you'll wake up on the right side of the energy shift. So please, before we go deeper, hype this video up in the comments. Why? Because when you do, you're helping the energy spread to more people who need this message right now. You're playing your part in a bigger cosmic ripple. Comment, "I feel it coming," and let the universe know you're ready. Now let's talk about why tomorrow is more than just a date. Cosmic shifts don't always scream their arrival. Sometimes the biggest days of your life sneak in quietly. They arrive without fireworks or lightning bolts. They come wrapped in subtle signs, a strange dream, repeated numbers, a deep breath that suddenly feels like release. But when the cosmic fabric shifts, even subtly, everything connected to it moves too. Tomorrow there is movement. Celestial currents are rearranging. And if you're in tune, even a 1% alignment tonight can lead to a 1000% breakthrough in the days ahead. Have you been feeling it lately? Restless sleep, odd synchronicities, thoughts you can't explain. That's not your imagination. That's preparation. Your energy field has been sinking, and tomorrow is the calibration point. Imagine this. You're walking through your usual day tomorrow, but somehow people treat you differently. You attract unexpected kindness. You hear about an opportunity you weren't even looking for. Money flows where there was once friction. The heavy energy you've been carrying? It suddenly feels lighter. You'll feel like you stepped into a different version of the same day. And you did, because you aligned tonight. This is why this message had to reach you before tomorrow arrived. Because once the shift hits, you either ride it or miss it. So what do you need to do? Not much, but it must be intentional. Tonight, before you sleep, sit quietly with your palms open, close your eyes, and say this to the sky, even if just in your heart. I am ready. I release the past. I trust the unseen. I align with what is mine. Then imagine a soft golden light entering the room. It covers your head, your chest, your whole being. That's not imagination. That's your field aligning. Then breathe. Let the old cycle collapse. And when you wake tomorrow, something will be different. Even if nothing on the outside has changed yet, you will have changed. And that changes everything. Now I want to share something powerful with you. This part is important. The energy of August 2nd, or whatever tomorrow's date is when you're watching this, it carries the seed of restoration. Astrologers call this a reset window. It's not rare, but it's not common either. It's the kind of cosmic opening that restores what's been delayed, reveals what's been hidden, and rewards what's been faithfully believed. In simpler words, if you've been planting seeds in your spirit, dreams, visions, quiet desires, tomorrow is when the soil becomes fertile. That's why alignment matters tonight. This isn't about luck, it's about readiness. It's about synchronicity. It's about cosmic permission. If you've been doubting yourself lately, if you've been wondering, when will it be my turn? If you've felt like everything has been working against you, please let me say this gently. Tomorrow is not punishment. It's permission. It's your sign. The chaos you've been walking through was not rejection. It was redirection. It was preparing you to hear this, so that when the doorway opens tomorrow, you don't hesitate. You step through, you claim it, you trust it. So tonight, let yourself believe again, because the universe already knows your name. It already knows your dream. It already knows what's been kept from you and what's rushing towards you now. Let me give you an image. Imagine you're standing in a hallway. Behind you are closed doors, the moments, mistakes, and memories that once defined you. But ahead? Ahead is a glowing doorway. It doesn't look like much, but when you step through, your path bends toward opportunity. That's what tomorrow is. That doorway won't be open forever, but it will be open long enough for those who are present, aware, and ready. You don't need to force anything. You don't need to fix everything. You just need to step in with trust. And that step begins tonight, when you claim your readiness. But here's what most people miss. The door to tomorrow doesn't swing open because you're perfect. It doesn't respond to pressure. It opens when you finally realize you were never locked out. You've just been standing still, waiting for someone to tell you it's time. So I'm telling you, it's time. You don't need a sign in the sky, although you'll see those too. You don't need permission from anyone, although the universe is already nodding. What you need is awareness, a deep breath, and the courage to whisper, even if I can't see it yet, I trust what's coming. Now I want you to feel this, not just hear it. The version of you that lives inside tomorrow is already smiling, already breathing easier, already living freer, already receiving. Because timelines don't wait, they activate. The second you match the vibration of where you're meant to be, the path unfolds. And this moment right now, this is the vibration, this is the match. This is the yes you've been postponing for far too long. So speak this softly into your pillow. I believe in divine timing. I believe in quiet miracles. I believe that something bigger than me is working in my favor. I am ready for tomorrow's breakthrough. Let it settle into your subconscious. Let it seed itself into your frequency. Let it become the vibration you carry into sleep. Because the truth is, the universe doesn't respond to effort, it responds to energy. And when your energy says, I'm ready, everything begins to move on your behalf. And one more thing, dear soul. Please don't keep this message to yourself. If it stirred something in you, a memory, a desire, a forgotten hope, then know this. There's someone out there scrolling, feeling lost, waiting for the very words you just heard. So help this energy ripple outward. Comment, like, share, hype it. Not for the numbers, not for the algorithm, but for the soul on the other side of the screen who needs the same message you just received. You could be their cosmic confirmation. You could be the reason they don't give up tonight. So say it boldly in the comments. Tomorrow is mine. I am aligned. I believe. Let's raise the energy of this entire space together, because tomorrow is a big day, and you're not just watching this video, you're walking into the next version of your destiny, and it starts now.